In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk edit tasks with the Multi-task Toolbar in ClickUp. If you need to make the same update across several tasks, doing them one by one can take a lot of time. That's where ClickUp's Multi-task Toolbar becomes really useful. It lets you select multiple tasks at once and apply changes in just a few clicks, which is perfect for keeping your workflow organized and efficient. To get started, open the ClickUp list that contains the tasks you want to edit. Make sure you're in the correct list before making any changes, especially if you're working with a large workspace and several projects. Once you're in the list, select the tasks you want to update by clicking the checkbox beside each one. As you choose your tasks, ClickUp will recognize that you're preparing a bulk action. As soon as your tasks are selected, the Multi-task Toolbar will automatically appear at the bottom of the screen. This toolbar is where all of your bulk editing options will be available. If you want to update progress, click Status and choose the new status you want applied to all selected tasks. This is especially helpful when multiple tasks move to the same stage at once. To change who's responsible for those tasks, click Assignees. From there, you can add assignees, remove them, or replace them, depending on what your team needs. If deadlines or schedules need adjusting, click Dates. You can then update start dates or due dates for the selected tasks, which is a quick way to keep timelines aligned. For teams using customized tracking fields, click Custom Fields. Choose the field you want to edit, and set the new value. This is useful when you need consistency across many tasks. You can also manage labels in bulk by clicking Tags. Select the tags you want to add or remove so your tasks stay easy to filter and organize. If the selected tasks need to be placed somewhere else, click Move Add and choose another list. This can help when tasks need to be reorganized across projects or workflows. To turn existing tasks into subtasks, click Convert to Subtasks, then select the new parent task. This is a great way to restructure work without rebuilding tasks from scratch. If you want duplicates of the selected tasks, click Copy. This creates copies that you can reuse for repeated workflows or templates. For additional bulk editing options, click More. This section gives you access to extra actions that may be helpful depending on your setup. And if you need to remove the selected tasks entirely, click the red trash icon to delete them. Be careful with this step, since deleting multiple tasks at once can be hard to undo if done by mistake. Thanks for watching.